Los dije ya que hay que empezar a preocuparnos menos.
Y a disfrutar más porque la vida va rápido.
Demasiado rápido. Como este año, que me lo llevo en el corazón por siempre.
Yo estoy puesta pa' ti, tú te me quitas. Diablo, que piquete la chamaquita.
That's scary. This van says 24-hour emergency service carpet cleaning. What do you need a carpet cleaning at 4 a.m. for? Or 12? Or 1 a.m.? That's really weird. Welcome back, my beautiful people, to another YouTube video. What the heck was that? Oh, it's a cat. As the year is coming to an end. The year is coming to an end. How do you guys feel? How do you guys feel about this year? 2022 is the year I started my YouTube channel, and I can't tell you guys how happy I am that I made that choice. It's fun and it's amazing hearing from you guys and communicating with you guys. For today's video, I have a whole collection of all my videos all in one. But don't worry, it's not like 20 minutes each long, no. But you guys will see as the time goes by, I'm more confident, a little more confident in talking with you guys, talking to the camera, and you guys will see a difference. Also guys, in this video, you guys will see how many times I ran into problems with my car, showing you guys that we're not perfect, nobody's perfect. I'll be having another YouTube video on what I was doing today because my hands are kind of dirty. I think I figured what's wrong with my car. In that video, I'm going to be replying to all the comments I received on my last YouTube video because you guys were going crazy. You guys helped me out a lot, and I appreciate every single one of you guys that commented on my last YouTube video. Without further ado, let's get started. Good morning, beautiful people. I'm Steph. That's it. Bye. Good morning, beautiful people. I am Steph, and welcome to my channel. Since this is my first YouTube video ever, bear with me. Just know I got a lot in store for anyone who's watching. What you'll be needing to remove the headliner is a screwdriver, a flathead, and then I don't know exactly what these are called. So we're gonna take these off. Why is there a tube in here? Oh, I swear YouTube makes it look easy. Guys, I'm actually pretty excited to start this YouTube channel. Like, I always wanted to show what I'm doing, help out people. I feel like this would really help a lot of people, a lot of females too. Like, I would love to see females do cars like this, and I want to inspire everybody to do it themselves. And you know, anything is possible, because if I can do it, you could surely do it. Keep everything organized. What the heck is this? Well, welcome back to my second YouTube video ever. Today we're basically going to be breaking my car.
Oh my God! What is that?
Let's get started. This is the gear. So this is how it looks so far. See the hole I cut? Then I cut over here. Story time. I pulled up to the gas station and I asked my boyfriend to back into a parking spot. And he f***ed up my car. That's how it looks. But you know what? It's okay. It could be fixed. I thought it was worse. I thought it was like right here. I was like, yeah, it's over.
No, Stephanie's here with me after the terrible incident we had. But today, we got the freaking car fixed. Okay, let me show you guys.
Hey, hit records on my demo.
Wow, that looks like brand new.
Did y'all boys not get the memo?
What happened?
Wow, that's actually really good. That's fucking mint.
Hey, I'm feeling too sexy to accept requests. And I'm way too sexy to...
We're gonna wait for it to dry. And then we'll take it out for a drive. You're done? I posted when I first got the car, and it says 164 weeks ago. It was the first car I ever bought on my own. My first car was, my dad gave it to me, and it was the Prius. I was really thankful for that. But I've always wanted a Honda to start working on, to be my first build, and to experiment from it and to learn from my mistakes with a Honda, because you know Hondas are pretty cheap, so parts are pretty cheap. I've always liked coupes, so a coupe Accord was like fire for me at the time. First thing I get are wheels, and at the time, you know, I don't know anything about wheels. I don't know what reps are, or what 3 pieces are, or what 2 pieces are, right? So they were just reps, but I love them. This right here is how I was riding every day. I asked them to max it out as low as you guys can. This is the most that they could do, and I was like, yes, I'm so low, I'm so low. I love it, I love it. Little did I know, little did I know. I'm trying to fix my front bumper and my rear bumper. When I drive, they usually pop right off, and it's just hanging and swinging around, and I don't like that. Using a piece of stick from the tree over there. This idea just came along the way, so.
You might need another. No, you're good. Perfect.
Welcome back, beautiful people. Thank you for tuning in to my channel. Today I'm gonna take you guys to the alignment shop.
Shall we do, huh? For her. Right now it's doing straight.
And it's turning right.
Just Photoshop my face. Ooh, look how many washers I have. 3. So we can't figure out why it's not tightening. That bolt that's by the bushing keeps spinning, so it's not tightening. We're just drawing butterflies and flowers over here. Nothing, you know, nothing that tells you what to do.
Holding it like it's a baby.
Is it a baby? Ooh,
Barely though. Oh, there we go. Oh my god, the smile.
Look, take a look at this headlight. See how it is? It's like scratched up and everything.
Yeah, it's gonna look way better.
Oh god. My car might look new. The trash. Say goodbye.
Smash it on the ground.
Out with the old.
I thought you were gonna do it.
In with the new. Oh, damn, that's a big difference. Jesus. Woo. Today we're going to a car event. It's located in Ocala, Florida, and it is
Going to the
pretty fire. Let me show you around.
Esto va suave, esto va suave, esto va suave. Esto va suave, esto va suave, esto va suave. Getting deep, getting
We've been waiting for these upper ball joints, and they finally got here. This is how it looks. Brand new, so hopefully they don't keep spinning. I'm gonna be installing these today, really quick and easy.
This looks funnier on camera.
I wonder what's the right way to jack a car. Like this?
I don't think there's a right way when you're a woman. It like gets tight and then it just stops.
I'd never have that happen.
Never.
That's so weird. But again, it is because of the brand.
Wheels back on, as you guys can see. We're calling it quits. Kept trying to tighten it and tighten it and tighten it, and it kept spinning and spinning and spinning. So Godspeed. I'm gonna try to reach out to them, see if I can get my money back, get a different kind of upper. Today I have something really different for you guys, something that I feel like it's gonna be fun for you guys to watch. Today we have Dante's mom coming in the car. Our precious car going. Oh shit. There's no AC? No AC.
Guess I should roll down my window.
If you want it. Oh. Shit. Oh, Jesus Christ. I'm so sorry, God.
Don't be suspicious. Don't be suspicious. Don't be suspicious. Don't be suspicious. Oh, don't be suspicious. Don't be suspicious.
You guys like it?
Your car?
Yeah, my car.
The fuck you lying? Why you
Think I should put less tilt? Or is it fine like that?
No, you have a lot of tilt. How much you got into it altogether?
What do you mean?
Like,
pricing and
yes.
stuff? Woo!
Looks expensive.
Yeah. Welcome back. Never a day off with this car. It's not really because it's low. It's mainly because it's probably just old. It feels like green and rusted and it looks like it's dead. Hopefully that is the issue.
Oh, we don't know. We don't know. Battery light is still on though. That's not good. Not a good sign. Stephanie's not gonna be happy about this. This isn't good.
Yes, I haven't moved spot. I was watching the video with you guys. It's all about not giving up in life. You know, just because an obstacle happened doesn't mean let's stop here, let's just not do anything. No, if there's an obstacle, you get over it, you learn from it, bounce back from it, and become greater from it. So if you guys have an obstacle in your life, push through because it's not the end. I hope you guys enjoyed my video for today. Happy New Year to everyone who's watching. I hope you guys had a blessed year, and I hope this new year coming is filled with blessings, love, and health as well. I love you all, and I appreciate every single one of you guys for helping me grow. So stay tuned for this new year, because now that I got the hang of it, I got you guys.